Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI. Did you know ChatGPT is currently one of the top 5 most visited platforms in the world? That's over 800 million users every month. And now, OpenAI has released the app's SDK and Model Context Protocol, making it super easy for developers to build apps directly inside ChatGPT. Up until now, integrating your own services into ChatGPT was pretty tricky, but not anymore. With these new tools, you can build fully interactive apps, test them, and share them, all without leaving the chat interface. If that sounds exciting, stick around. So what is the app's SDK? Think of it as a toolkit that lets you build mini apps that live inside ChatGPT. It uses something called the Model Context Protocol, basically a way for ChatGPT to talk to your app, request information, and display results. With the SDK, you can create tools, add small user interfaces like forms or widgets, and connect your own APIs or databases. The best part? Your app can instantly reach hundreds of millions of ChatGPT users without building your own website or platform. Let's build your first app. First, you'll need a few things set up: a free OpenAI developer account, Node.js installed, a code editor like VS Code, and a secure HTTPS tunnel like ngrok or Cloudflare tunnel, because ChatGPT only connects to secure public endpoints. Next, clone the official pizza app example from GitHub. This gives you the basic project structure with the Model Context Protocol already set up. Now it's time to define your tool. In a JSON schema file, describe what your app needs from the user. For example, for a pizza app, you might include pizza size, toppings, and crust type. After that, you write the logic for your app in the invoke function. This function runs when users make a request. In the demo, it simply returns something like, "Your large pepperoni pizza with thin crust is being prepared." Before testing, make sure to enable developer mode in ChatGPT. Just go to Settings, Apps and Connectors, Developer Mode. Once your local server is running and exposed over HTTPS, go to ChatGPT, open the Apps section, click Create New App, enter a name like Pizza App, and paste your public HTTPS URL ending in /mcp. Now open a new chat, select your app, and type, "Order me a large pepperoni pizza with thin crust." If everything's set up, your app will respond right inside the chat. This isn't just a fun demo. Major companies like Spotify, Canva, and Zillow are already building ChatGPT apps. ChatGPT is slowly turning into an operating system for AI-powered tools. Once you've built the basic pizza example, try upgrading it. For instance, add support for multiple toppings using arrays in JSON schema. Connect to real APIs like Yelp to fetch nearby pizza places. Handle errors when APIs fail or return no results. Developers are reporting that using the app's SDK speeds up prototyping by more than 50%. It's fast, simple, and built to scale. When it comes to monetization, start simple. Offer your app for free, get users, then add premium features like real-time API data or advanced functionality. And make sure your app has a clear name and description so ChatGPT can recommend it to users. So to recap, you set up your environment, define your tool with JSON schema, expose your app through HTTPS, enable developer mode, and you're ready to test inside ChatGPT. Whether you're building a simple assistant or integrating large APIs, this SDK turns ChatGPT into your platform. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to All About AI, and drop a comment telling us what app you're planning to build first. Happy coding!